Want to study in Canada without paying huge tuition fees? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a scholarship in Canada, step by step, even if you're an international student. Canada is home to world-class universities, a safe environment, and thousands of scholarships every year for international students, some covering tuition, living costs, and even travel. There are 5 main types of scholarships in Canada you should know about. Merit-based scholarships awarded for high academic achievement or exceptional skills. Need-based scholarships for students who require financial assistance. Government-funded scholarships, like the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship or Banting Fellowships. University-specific scholarships, awards offered directly by Canadian universities to attract top talent. External or private scholarships funded by companies, non-profits, and community organizations. Step 1. Research scholarships. Check Canadian government portals, university websites, and trusted scholarship databases. Step 2. Check eligibility. Look at academic requirements, language scores, nationality criteria, and program availability. Step 3. Prepare documents. You will usually need transcripts, IELTS total scores, a statement of purpose, recommendation letters, and a CV. Step 4. Apply early. Most deadlines are 6 to 12 months before classes start, so apply as soon as possible. Step 5. Follow up. Check your email for updates and be ready for interviews or extra documents. Many students lose opportunities because they apply to the wrong scholarship, miss deadlines, submit incomplete forms, or send the same generic statement of purpose to every program. Avoid these mistakes to give yourself the best chance of success. Maintain a strong GPA, get recommendation letters from respected academic or professional mentors, and apply to multiple scholarships instead of relying on just one. Studying in Canada can be affordable, or even free, if you plan ahead and apply smartly. For a full list of 2026 scholarships, visit schoolingvisa.com for detailed guides and application links. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your scholarship journey.